Hello, in this video I'm going to talk you through the changes to the DLS sensor and how to change your code to utilize the new one-wire component. So a little while back I made a 4-wire PWM fan controller, and I'll leave a link for that up here. In that tutorial I used the DLS sensor to control the speed of a PWM fan, and here we have that code. So we have a DLS component, the pin number in the update interval, and then the actual DLS sensor itself. Well, that's now changed. It's now changed to a one-wire sensor. So the first thing you need to do is change this DLS sensor to 1_wire. That now has a platform, which is GPIO. Now we keep the pin in the one wire. The update interval now goes down to the sensor. So I'm going to move that down. I'm going to hold down Control and use the down arrow key, and we'll just put that in there. Next up, we need to change the DLS platform to DLS_temp, and everything else is the same. Now I'm using VS Code here to show this, so normally you'd hit install to update your device. Now there is also a problem with the PWM fan in that this DLS sensor, in conjunction with the PWM output of 22.5 kHz, which is what most PWM fans require to stop the coil noise. There is another fix for that, and it's an external component, and I'm going to put that up here. I'm just going to copy and paste it. Now I've tested it on my boards that I've used for the tutorial, and it fixes all the problems. I've also included this external component and all the other code changes in the GitHub repository for that 4-wire PWM fan. So if you have followed that in the past, you need to update the code. There's also a link in the description below for the GitHub page.
Well, I hope this video was helpful with your projects. Please do share it so others can find it as well. I upload videos whenever I can, so subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified. That's it. Thanks for watching.
Okay, I love